Hey there. So I was just getting ready to prepare this uh, St. Patrick's Day word search into a digital bonus for my Teacher Life Resource Club members. But I thought, let's go ahead and show you how to make it digital or make a word search digital, as well as share it out free for all of you, for everyone. So let me go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you how to turn any sort of word search that you already may have in your files, hard copy files, and to change it into a digital format. Now, if you do have a word search that you find online somewhere already on the internet, you can use that as well. It's very simple. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I already have a couple of word searches here. I'm just going to make another slide just for the purpose of showing you how to do this. And so I'm going to say new slide. And then I'm going to get rid of all of this because I want just a blank background. And if you're wondering how I got this worksheet size instead of the regular presentation size of a slide, you just go to File, Page Setup, go to Custom because it might be at standard, and change it to 8.5 by 11 or whatever worksheet that works for you, and just hit Apply. So once I already have that, I'm going to want to change the background. So at this point, you would have already needed to change your hard copy into a picture, either JPEG or PNG, just by scanning it. Or if you have something online, you can change it. Sometimes you can change it just by right-clicking it and saving it as a picture, which works as well. I personally like to use PNG because sometimes JPEG comes out a little grainy, but that's totally up to you. So I'm going to right click and go to change background. And then I'm going to go to choose image, and I already have mine saved, I believe, on my desktop. I'm just going to choose one, the first one, and then I'm going to upload it. So once I upload it, I'm going to say that it's done. And then now my background of the slide is the word search. So you can't move it around anywhere. It stays put, and that's what you want. Now, you can do, when you make your word search more interactive for your students, you can do this a couple of ways. So they can go to line that is right here under arrange, or you can go to insert and then go to line and go to line again. But it's just easier if you just go to this line, click on it, and then what's going to happen is it's going to come into this little plus area, and you're just going to, so here's the word 17, which is down here in the list of words. And you're just going to draw the line from beginning letter to ending letter, just like so. Okay, and then you can go back to line and then cross it out at the bottom. So I'm going to actually walk my students through this. I actually inserted some directions up here that they can use as well. But I'm going to walk my students through this. They may already know how to do this, but I want to show them, give them options so it's more interactive for them as well. And the second option, the way that they can do this, and I'm just going to get rid of the lines just by hitting the undo button, is by using shapes. So you can go to the shape icon right here, or you can go back to insert and then go to shapes here, and use a box. So I'm just going to click the shape here, and I'm going to use this box format, and you could just draw a box around 17 like so. And then it's going to become shaded, and you don't want it shaded because then you can't see the word. So you're going to go up here to the fill color, and you want it transparent so you can see right through it. But what's going to happen when it's transparent, it's going to be a gray box around it, and you might want to jazz it up a little bit. Your students probably might want to jazz it up, and you can change it to like a blue color as well, so then it's blue. Okay, so And then they can come back here and use the line feature and then cross out 17 again if they like. Okay. So that is how you turn your word searches into a digital interactive word search. Thank you for watching. Bye.